So in today's new video, I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram automatically close this problem in less than 1 minute. So first thing, go to settings, go to the wireless and networks, and now go to the Wi-Fi, and then disable the Wi-Fi and enable it again like this. Now go back. This is the settings page again on the phone. Scroll until you find the apps manager page. Go to the apps. Now this is the apps page as you can see. Or what you have to do now is very simple. Go to Instagram. Now right here click on the first stop option, and after that go to the storage. Now right here click on clear data, clear cache, go back, click on app details, and it will take you directly to the Play Store. Now all what you have to do on this page is very simple. Just click here on update, and that's it guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching the video.